Do not worry about the starting image. Let me tell you a little story. It all happened some time ago when I was in r/place. I don't know when, how, and whatever, but all you need to know is I helped a little bit with creating the emotional support demons. I know, hold your applause. I'm part of the Clicks community. Just don't ask for any favors. It was there where I discovered in this little image, one might even say the main focus, two unique individuals. These two individuals I remember watching when I was growing up. Now, which ones they are in this absolute mess, I'm pretty sure you're able to tell, given that they are kind of the main focus, but not really, but also kind of are. The only real question I have for you is, does anybody remember these two bedfellows? Also, you cannot convince me that they aren't gay.